Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to buy a used Miata step by step. Start by setting a clear budget and factor in taxes, insurance, and likely repairs. Identify a comfortable price range and leave room for inspection costs. Consider financing limits and emergency reserves so you won't be surprised by a repair bill. This planning makes your search efficient and prevents settling for a car that breaks your budget. Begin with a thorough walk-around and undercarriage check, focusing on rust hotspots and previous repairs. Examine the soft top, seals, and drain channels for leaks that lead to mold and corrosion. Pop the hood to assess engine bay cleanliness, fluid levels, and obvious leaks. Test lights, horn, and electronics quickly. Small electrical issues often indicate bigger wiring or conversion work. Use a checklist to keep the inspection systematic and clear. Quick recommendation and a light break. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're comfy on long drives and tough enough for roadside repairs. I love keeping a pair in the glove box for greasy hands and cold mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Drive on a mix of roads to reveal handling and mechanical issues, starting with low speed and progressing to highway. Note transmission shifts, clutch engagement point, and any unusual vibrations through the steering wheel or seat. Test brakes at varying pressures to detect fading, pulsing, or pulling. Experiment with corners to evaluate suspension and alignment. Bring a friend to watch for leaks when parking and to help spot issues you might miss alone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.